Hey guys, and welcome back to Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be talking about 5 free Figma AI plugins. So let's just dive right in. So the first thing is going to be Frontitude, UX Writing Assistant. So as the name suggests, it is basically a tool that you can and plugin that you can utilize to create amazing font bodies and different type of paragraphs, text, and whatever you would like to simply create in a text form. So it is going to be making you nice little text sections. So you can see you can add a lot of elements and different type of tones to your text. So if you want to add something like this, you can do that. And the next thing is avatars generators. So of course we need different type of avatars for different types of account section. If we are creating something like login display picture area, or every app requires that, so we have an avatar generator. This tool effortlessly create AI generated avatars. So basically there are going to be AI generated, and so you do not get any copyright issues or claim issues. So yeah, this is the second in our list. And after that we have our Font Explorer AI. Using this you can use different type of fonts, and it is going to be suggesting you that what type of font looks and works perfectly with your design. So it is a must have and it is recommended. And yeah, so these are some of the plugins that you can simply use, and make sure to try these out for yourself. And with that being said, that is pretty much it for this video, and thank you so much for watching.